All right, I'm here with my favorite uncle, Carlos. He's 91, and he's been using a Google Home speaker, Google Nest that I gave him to play around with. And I'm going to show him, I want to get his reaction for this. He speaks 7 languages, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to get his reaction on this new feature called Interpreter Mode on Google. It works with any speaker or screen like this. So let's first say this. How about we start with Italian? Okay, you'll speak to me in Italian in a moment, okay? Okay, so how about this? Okay, Google, be my Italian interpreter.
Okay, I'll be your interpreter. When you hear this sound, it means I'm listening. Let's get started.
Okay. Hi, Uncle Carlos. Please speak to me in Italian.
Va bene, ciao, zio Carlos, per favore, parlami in italiano.
Sì, cosa vuole che ti dico? Dicano.
What do you want me to tell you?
I want to say that this is amazing technology, and I love being able to experience this with you.
Sono,
Voglio dire che questa è una tecnologia straordinaria e adoro poterla provare con te.
sono tanto contento e mia vita credeva che questo poteva essere, perché
I am so happy in my life.
That's amazing, right? Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so watch this. Okay, Google, cancel.
Sure, I'll stop translating.
All right. Okay, Google, be my Spanish interpreter.
Okay, before you start talking, make sure to wait until you hear this sound. Let's start.
Hi, Uncle Carlos. I understand you speak Spanish. Is that correct?
sì, corretto.
Listen.
Hola, tío Carlos, entiendo que hablas español. ¿Es eso correcto?
Sí, es correcto. Hablo español.
If it is correct, I speak Spanish.
Wow. Then your accent is very good. That's one of the 7 languages you speak.
Sí,
Wow, entonces tu acento es muy bueno. Ese es uno de los 7 idiomas que hablas.
sí.
Amazing, huh? Okay,
There.
Google, cancel. Isn't that fantastic?
Wow. En francés.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Google, be my French translator. Hi, Uncle Carlos. Good to see you this afternoon. How are you feeling today?
Salut, oncle Carlos. Ravi de vous voir cet après-midi. Comment vous sentez-vous aujourd'hui?
Oh, je me sens très bien, grâce à Dieu.
Let's see.
I feel very good thanks to God.
Fantastic. This is amazing. And there's many, many more languages that it supports.
Fantastique, c'est incroyable et il y a beaucoup plus de langues qu'il prend en charge.
En français?
Bien sûr, oui, oui, oui. Je parle d'autres langues aussi.
In French, of course, yes, yes, yes. I speak other languages.
Okay, Google, cancel. Thanks. Thank
Sure,
you.
I'll stop translating.
Thank you. That was my little demo. Appreciate it. You're going
thank
to be a
you.
YouTube star now.
Good, good, very good. Incredible.
Amazing.
I don't understand.
It's amazing, right?
How you do that?